Welcome to Rujira. In this video, we'll show you how to deposit ATM from Cosmos Hub and lend it through Rujira Money Market. To get started, hover over Earn and select Lending. Then click Details to open the ATM Details page and learn more about its lending market. Next, we connect our Rujira-supported wallet using the Connect button in the top right corner of the screen. Before we can lend ATM, we need to deposit it into Rujira. Click Deposit and select ATM from the list of supported assets. You can also select a different asset if you would like to deposit another asset. For now, enter the amount of ATM you would like to transfer from Cosmos Hub and then press Confirm. Approve the transaction in your wallet. ATM deposits from Cosmos Hub are usually processed quickly. Once the transfer is complete, your ATM will be available on Rujira and ready to use. Now we return to the lending page in Rujira Money Market. Lenders earn variable yield from borrowers who pay interest to use the deposited assets. Unlike native ATM staking, lending does not require multiple weeks of unstaking. The Rujira Money Market supports a wide range of assets, including ATM, USDC, USDT, BTC, Rune, and more. In this overview, we can see the variable lending APR available for each asset. At the time of recording, the displayed APR is 12.5% for ATM and 5.89% for USDC. These rates change according to supply and demand between lenders and borrowers. They are variable and are not guaranteed. To begin lending, click Deposit and enter the amount of ATM you would like to use from your available Rujira balance. Review and accept the terms of use, and then press Lend ATM. Approve the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is complete, the deposited amount will appear under My Balance. In this tutorial, we have deposited 8 ATM, which can now earn variable yield generated by borrowers paying interest. There is no fixed lockup period. However, withdrawals require sufficient available liquidity. If market utilization reaches 100%, you may need to wait for borrowers to repay their loans or for more liquidity to become available before withdrawing. And that's how you deposit ATM from Cosmos Hub and lend it through Rujira Money Market. Which asset would you choose to lend first? Welcome to Rujira, fair by design, owned by you.